Welcome to my new video blog. I am Peter Vass, the owner of Gentlevan Removals. This is the second episode of our vlog series. In the first episode, I introduced our company, its history and our services. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. In this episode, I will be discussing our regular UK to Spain removal services, including our routes, methods of transport, packing and loading procedures, and how we handle access difficulties. Whether you are moving for work, retirement or a new adventure, we ensure a smooth and stress-free moving experience. Spain offers many attractions, stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, high quality of life and warm climate. These are just a few reasons why many people choose to move there, from the cosmopolitan city of Madrid to the beautiful coastal cities of Barcelona and Valencia. There are many wonderful places to call home. Whether you are moving your entire household or just part of it, we are here to help. Beyond moving your furniture, we offer advice, help with customs and paperwork, packing services, and we offer storage. We have regular trips to many Spanish cities, including Madrid, Barcelona, Malaga, Murcia, Alicante, Almeria, Zaragoza, and more. We offer two types of services: the dedicated moving service and the shared load moving service. With the dedicated load, you choose the collection and delivery dates and times, ensuring a smooth and efficient move. A shared load is more budget-friendly, as your belongings travel with other customers' items heading in the same direction. The quality of the service remains the same. The only difference is the need for flexibility in timing. On our regular routes to Spain, we often use the ferry from Portsmouth to Santander or sometimes drive through France. Personally, I prefer the ferry. It saves on driving hours and allows us to arrive refreshed. The Portsmouth to Santander ferry takes about 36 hours, which might seem long, but it's more like a floating hotel. As the ferry's website says, enjoy a relaxing 2 nights on board and your journey will feel like part of your holiday. For our shared load moving service, we often use our 36-ton road train. It has a large capacity, allowing us to deliver and collect several customers' belongings. Due to access difficulties at most properties, we usually take a small van with us to transfer items from the lorry to the house. This makes our work much easier, especially when we don't have to drive the lorry into busy cities or destinations with lower volumes. On these routes, we also provide packing and export wrapping services. Now we just returned from a 10-day trip. We traveled from Portsmouth to Santander with Brittany ferries, then went down to Alicante to collect the contents of a flat on the 7th floor. We had another smaller collection and delivery near Alicante, then delivered items to Valencia. After that, we headed to France, near Cannes, for a larger move involving a house, a flat and a storage facility, where we also packed the items. On the way back to the UK, we had 2 deliveries and 1 collection, so we can start delivering these items in the UK next week. If you want to know more about our services, please visit our website at www.gentlevanremovals.co.uk/removals-Spain. There are several options to get a quote from us. You can use our online form, you can call us or send us an email. The best and most efficient way to get a quote is through our video survey option. You can also find a guide about the video survey option on our website. Here at Gentlevan Removals, we are dedicated to providing outstanding services to our customers. We are a family business with over a decade of experience. If you choose us for your move to Spain or any other European country, you won't be disappointed. My wife, Victoria, who is in the office, can guide you through the moving process and custom duties, and my team and I will ensure a smooth move to your new home. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to our regular moving services to Spain. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video or send me an email to info@gentlevanremovals.co.uk. See you in the next video.